3, 2. Good morning. My name is Andrea Sierra. I'm Paula Navarro.
And I'm Darío Lagarza.
And he's Jerry. Ah! She. Okay. Today we're going to give a little class, and I'm going to explain special products. So first we have an example that is we open a parenthesis and it's x plus y minus c minus 10. We close our parentheses, then open another one, and we have x plus y plus c plus 10. What we're going to do is to multiply each single term for all these terms we have here. So we're going to start with x, so we multiply x for x, and it's x squared, x for y, and they're positive all, so we have xy, x for c plus xc, and then for 10 plus 10x. We already have for x, so we continue with the y for x, xy, then plus y squared, then plus yz, plus 10y. We continue with our z, but here we have a negative sign, so since they are all positive, we're going to have each term we have with c as negatives. So we have minus xc minus yc minus c squared and minus 10c. We continue with our 10 since this is also negative. We're going to continue with our negative terms in every single one of these. So we have minus 10x minus 10y minus 10c, and since this is minus and plus, we have minus, and then 10 and 10, 100. What we're going to do next is to simplify all of this. We're going to add them up or subtract it. We are going to find similar terms. So here we'll just have 1x squared. So we're going to write x squared, and we continue with xy. We have another xy here. So we are going to add them up, so they are both positive. We have plus 2xy. We continue with our xc. We have one xc here, but since this is negative and this is positive, we're going to take them out. Then we continue with 10x. Also here we have positive and negative, so we take them out. Y squared, we don't have another one, so it's plus y squared. We already finished with this one. And then y and c, we have a positive and negative, so they're both closed up. 10y minus 10 plus minus, we take them out, minus c to the square, and then we have minus and minus 10c, so we're going to subtract them both, and we have minus 20c and minus 800. And this is our answer for this special product.
Thank you, Miss Andrea.
Okay. So, hello, my name is Paula,
And I'm Darío.
as we already said, and well, we are going to explain how to solve long division problems, as we can see here. So the one that we're going to take as an example is this one, which is x cubed minus 4x squared plus 2x plus 5 divided by x minus 2. So let's start. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to take our first term inside the dividend, which is x cubed,
And we're going to divide it by the x.
which is our first term from the divisor. So it
Let's
would be
make it x.
cubed divided by x.
That gives us x squared. So we're going to put it up here.
Yes, the answer that we get, we're going to put it right above the square. If we get an x, above the x. If we get an x cubed, above the x cubed. As we got an x squared, it goes above the x squared.
Then we are going to multiply the x squared times the x, so it gives x cubed.
Yes, the answer that we get, we're going to put it right above the square. If we get an x, above the x cubed. As we got an x squared, it goes above the x squared.
Then we are going to multiply the x squared times the x, so it gives x cubed. going to multiply the x squared times the negative 2, so it gives us negative 2x squared.
Here it's very important to notice the signs and take them in count because it's gonna affect our problem. So then, before doing anything else, the thing we got to do is to change the signs.
Because that is a common mistake that the students do.
Yes. So the positive x cubed changes into a negative x cubed, and the negative 2x squared changes into a positive 2x squared. So then we got x cubed minus x cubed, it cancels out. Because here, if we don't have any number in front of a variable, we're going to imagine a number 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. It cancels out. And then
The negative 4x squared, we are going to add it to the 2x squared, so it gives us negative 2x squared. So negative,
And well, we got these two numbers these two terms that are left out, and we're just gonna move them down. So it's plus 2x plus 5.
okay.
Then
The negative 2x squared, we're going to divide it by the x.
it's exactly the same process we did before. We just take the first term and divide it by the x. So it's negative 2x squared divided by x.
And that gives us negative 2x, and we're going to put it up here.
At the side of our first term.
Then we are going to multiply the negative 2x times the x, that gives us negative 2x squared. And then the negative 2x times the negative 2, that gives us positive 4x. Remember that we have to change the sign, so it will give us positive 2x squared and negative 4x.
It's really important to change the signs. So here we've got negative 2x squared plus 2x squared. It cancels itself out because negative 2 plus 2, 0. And then
The 2x minus 4x gives us negative 2x.
And as before, we're going to move this right here. Once again, we take our first term, which is negative 2x, and we divide it by the x.
That gives us negative 2, and we're going to put it up here. Then we're going to multiply that negative 2 times x, that gives us negative 2x. And the negative 2 times the negative 2, that gives us positive 4. And we're going to change the sign again, so it gives
Positive 2x minus 4. Then the negative 2x plus 2x cancels itself out. And positive 5 minus 4, 1.
that would be our remainder of the final answer.
The 1 would be our remainder. So at the end, we've got as an answer x squared minus 2x minus 2 plus 1 divided by x minus 2. And well, remember that this would be our remainder.